Do you think Tesla stock will reach about 800 per share in a year? Before the August stock split, Tesla stock was trading between 800 and 900 per share. Currently, it is trading below 200 per share. Some analysts predict that Tesla stock will continue to decline from this point, while others think the EV company stock will soar in a year. Either way, TipRank says you won't want to miss this one. With a high prediction of $760 and a low projection of $85, the average price target for Tesla stock is 310.27. As a result of 29 Wall Street analysts providing 12-month price goals for Tesla during the previous 3 months, the target reflects a 69.81 move from the previous price of 182.72. A financial technology business called TipRanking using artificial intelligence to evaluate financial big data in order to give individual investors real-time data analysis and insider trading recommendations, as well as tools for researching the stock market. Despite a significant sell-off in 2022, Tesla remains the 6th most valuable company globally. Its CEO, Elon Musk, was reportedly the richest man in the world as of November 2022, partly but not entirely because of Tesla's success. This makes sense given that the company has gained popularity and grown to become one of the most valuable businesses in the world. Between 2014 and 2019, Tesla's stock virtually did nothing. It ranged between roughly $17 per share with clear ups and downs, while the stock wasn't making the kind of moves that would garner it the kind of attention it does now. It started to gain momentum in 2019. The biggest year for the stock was by far 2020, when shares shot up and astonishingly gained 696.45%, making Tesla the best performing stock in the S&P 500 for that year, and more than doubling the return of second place Etsy, which was 301.6%. 49.76% gain in 2021. Though given the enormous gains of the previous 2 years in the bear market that has hit all 3 of the major U.S. market indices in 2022, some may consider that drop surprisingly low. The majority of Tesla analysts believe you should buy its stock, with many believing the price can rise above $1,000. In 2022, however, it has been a bit of a different story as investors refuse to take profits even after the company's extraordinary 2020 returns year to date. Although the average analyst rating for Tesla stock varies, there is a wide range of opinions among experts, and the average price prediction is approximately $800. This is due to a few determined outliers who see a steep fallback to the $200 to $300 range. In fact, the company's stock price predictions are more volatile than those of nearly any other S&P 500 company, largely due to the boom or bust mentality that many investors have about the company. Bullish analysts and investors believe that Tesla will continue to take the lead in other green energy fields, such as solar panels and energy storage devices. The trillion-dollar car would be exemplified by the Tesla that you'll probably see in the next 12 to 18 months. While bearish analysts and investors believe that Tesla will fall short of expectations and end up just being another production company rather than something unique and innovative, the company is highlighting step changes in manufacturing cost reduction, expansion, and capacity model lineup and services offerings. Bears see this significant divergence in expectations for the company's performance as evidence of an overvaluation, susceptibility to competition, and excessive subsidies of the corporation. Pricing targets exhibit a wide range of the most optimistic 12-month forecast for Tesla stock is an astounding $760, or a whopping 285% above its current price. The most pessimistic analyst covering Tesla, however, sees shares dropping to $73 within 12 months, representing an equally incredible prediction for a 63% loss. The average 12-month price target for Tesla, according to NASDAQ, is 303.72 cents, which is a significant 68.9% above its current valuation. Clearly, there is a lot of disagreement in the investing community on Tesla's near-term prospects, regardless of whether the stock rises to $760 within a year, declines to $73, or trades in the middle, will probably rely on whether investors believe the catalyst outweighs the risks or vice versa. Even if the future is uncertain, there are some positive theories that are boosting investor interest in Tesla stock. For one, the firm is expected to release a vehicle that is reasonably priced shortly, making it more appealing to a wider audience. More importantly, Tesla has maintained its market dominance in the e-vehicle industry despite competition. Few investors are aware that Tesla is divided into 3 business segments: energy, generation and storage, services, and other. Both of these divisions are expanding quickly, and if any or all of these catalysts materialize, the company's stock should rise. However, part of the reason Tesla stock can be volatile is that it carries inherent risks. Several significant causes that may contribute to the stock's decline include Elon Musk's Twitter venture, the CEO of Tesla. Some analysts worry that he might be too busy managing both SpaceX, his space exploration firm, and just concentrating on Tesla. There are concerns that car deliveries might fall short of expectations. This is a risk associated with any company that produces anything, but Tesla has experienced issues with its supply chain and production in the past. In addition, the current state of the economy presents a significant risk because a recession might occur soon, which wouldn't be unique to the company but could seriously impair consumer purchasing power for its more expensive vehicles. Every automaker is now encouraged to create electric vehicles in the near future, even though Tesla continues to lead the pack. This is because new regulations requiring the phase out of internal combustion engines will only increase competition in the electric vehicle market. Tesla stock could still experience year-end tax loss dumping. Renowned investor Cathie Wood is still quite optimistic about Tesla. She believes that in 5 years, the company may capture between 20 and 25% of the global auto market, in addition to dominating the electric vehicle market. Prior to the epidemic in early 2020, Tesla stock was trading at $100. Within 2 years, each share was worth over $1,000, and the company broke its all-time high twice in 2021. Since then, the stock has increased in value. Tesla is known for its steep price rises and drops, and it is especially popular with younger tech and climate-focused investors. However, a lot of its prices are based on hype, frequently fueled by Elon Musk's comments, and any bad news can put a stop to the rise. It is also not unusual to see price fluctuations of several percentage points in a single day. Elon Musk became the richest person in the world in 2020 when Tesla's share price increased by 695 and it continued to rise by 50 in 2021. The stock has been on fire for a while. For a considerable amount of time, the value of Tesla Motor stock has been part of important U.S. indices like the NASDAQ and S&P 500 index. It is clear from the Tesla share forecast that electric cars are the future and a rapidly expanding segment of car sales. Tesla has been operating essentially without competition, but that is quickly changing. Tesla is the undisputed leader in electric vehicles. It remains to be seen whether this will still be the case in the coming years in a market where many other brands are also strongly producing their own EVs. Like all stocks in the market, Tesla has significant rewards and risks. Although the stock is currently experiencing extreme volatility, there is still a chance that it will change in the future, given all the factors, but it could also turn negative and trade lower than it is now. In fact, analysts are divided about Tesla's future, saying that it could be either a huge win or a significant loss. With that said, it is important to remember that whether you choose to invest in Tesla or another company, you should never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Do you think Tesla stock will reach about $800 per share in a year? Before the August stock split, Tesla stock was trading between $800 and $900 per share. Currently, it is trading